Okay, welcome to another edition of the TreQna site how-tos. Today we're going to do, go through some basics of blogging on TreQna. So you all know we recently launched the blog section. So we're going to go ahead and just check out how to use this functionality. We're going to go ahead and click on the blogs link right at the top here. Go into blog directory. Now this will basically tell you which all blogs are active, who's the user and who's the title. So here we look at my blog, TreQna How To's and More is the title of the blog, and this is the username. Uh, this here will tell you the entries in the blog. So I have 3 entries right now and 2 comments uh, posted by users who've seen the blog. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the blog. So you click your blog here and you're going to go into the blog. So these are the comments, the postings that I have had since the blog went live. Now uh, you can actually categorize your blog posts. So if you look here, local categories, all of my postings are currently under TreQna How To's. uh, I can actually create various categories for different kind of posts. So how do we do that? We go into blog control panel here. Alright, and we go into blog categories. So if you look at this here, I have 2 categories created. One is TreQna How To's, one is My Rambling Thoughts. I can create as many categories as I wish by clicking the add new blog category here, and I can put in let's say Minitab assistance, right? Describe the category. This section talks about Minitab. I say I can actually create subcategories under the various existing categories, but I'm going to say no parent category. I'll leave the display order at 1 and I say save changes. And there you are. There's a third category that's got created here. Now, uh, you know, I can now if I need to actually post within each of these categories, I simply go back to your blog here, and when I click on post to your blog, I put in text here. I'm going to put in some text here. I scroll down and I can actually select which category I'm going to post under. So I'm going to say My Rambling Thoughts, and I say post now. So there you are. This shows up here. Now these categories will only show up if there are entries into them. So you see this My Rambling Thoughts has shown up now because we have an entry here, right? Okay, so that was all about creating various categories in blogs. There's a lot more that you can do in the blog control panel. I'm going to go back here. You can actually customize your blog, put in your blog title and description. You have various other things. You can customize your blog sidebar. You can create custom pages, manage trackbacks, blog subscriptions, blog entry subscriptions, and blog statistics. We're going to basically explore a couple of these options here. The most basic being customize your blog style. Now here it actually allows you to decide, the background images, the colors, the fonts that you, sorry about that, the fonts that you require, how do you want it. So for each section, the main section, the block borders, minor block headers, block footers, you can go into the primary content areas, you can go into the secondary content. So I'm going to basically show you something. So this is a primary content area. Now I want to change the background color of my blog. I click on this here and I say let it be, for example, this color here. Okay, I can actually preview this. Well, this is how it's going to come out. I say save and I go to my blog And there you are. So background is changed for all of them. And similarly, I can do it for the other options as well. Just go back here and change this. Okay, customize your blog style. Now, suppose I don't like this color. I want to revert back to the default. I click on this color here again, and I click on this little square here, and it goes back to default. I click save, and we are back here. Okay, so that was how to customize your blog style. You can also change the title and description. Here is what I've already filled in: TreQna how-tos and more, and the description of what this blog covers. I'm gonna say submit. It's gonna say thank you for updating your blog, and here you are. So when I actually click on your blog, when users visit your blog, here is what they will see. This blog will detail instruction how to use various features of the site, blah blah blah, and you have it here. This is very important since it gives the user, basically an idea of what your blog does. So that was on, title and a description of the blog. Go back here into blog control panel, and I can actually now create blog custom pages. Now this is like your personal page. I already have one created here. You can add a custom page by going on this. So what all can I do here? My personal page. And it's self-apparent. I can use HTML code to beautify this page. I can embed YouTube movies that I want to view. Uh, I can even attach images like my photograph is attached here. Now I'm using this page to test the potential of the blog system. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this page just to show you an example. Suppose I want to have this in bold. I simply highlight this, click bold here, right? I want to typically look at, say I want an image here. I'll just go here for example. Okay, copy the location of this. Now typically these are all images that you uploaded in your album. I say insert image, paste the link. There you are. Let's come. I'm going to save changes, and see this has gone into bold. So that's how you can create personal pages here. That was it in the first edition of using blogs. We'll explore this in more detail as we go forward. Thank you for your time.